Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing the intakes on Saad'S Q60. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take out these three clips, this clip, and this clip. And then this panel will come off, and then we'll get to the intakes, which are right here and right here. There's the intakes. Alright, once you get the ducting off, you're going to take off this screw, that one, this one, and that one. They're all 10 millimeters, so it'll be easy to take off. And then we'll get those bolts taken out. And then take these clips off. Just wiggle and they'll pop out. You want to make sure you get those clips down in the bottom. These ones, they like to hang off. Same thing on this side. You're going to notice there's a thing on this car. Passenger side is going to be the difficult one the whole time. There we go. After that, you're going to come down here and take off these clamps. Oh, that's how you do it. Let's go get a flathead. Actually, pliers. I think they said just to push down. I think it's in and down. Let's get this cable out of the way first. You gotta get that to there. Kind of like to hold it with that one because they like to pop back and forth. And then once you get this one, kind of just pry with both and it pops out. And there you go. Now we're on to the intake tubes. Set those aside for now. Apparently they're way back in there, but oh boy. Yeah, that's fun. If you can't see, it's way down in there. This one's a lot easier to get to though. And that's not that, that's a 5/16. 5/16, yeah. And that's one. This kid out. Mind the mess. Don't forget to unclip this. A little bit of oil. That's a breather hose though, so it's not bad. Alright, next we're going to take the mass airflow sensor tubes out and put them into these plates. They are in there, Jesus Christ. One screw. Tells us to or not, but there we go. True fit. Directions on this aren't the best. Help if I have it the right way, but that's one. On to the next. Make sure they're pointing in the direction because this will only fit in there if it's pointing the right way. Just match it with that. That's all. Yes, this is a long ass 10 millimeter. Alright, now we move to the next step. Let's get these intakes tubings in the car. These ones. Make sure it's seated all the way back. In the photos, I always saw them point it to the outside, so I'm going to try to do the best I can for that. See if I can slide it further back on there. As you can see, I'm tightening this clamp all the way down in there. And it's not the easiest to get to. Oh, I could use Kevin's small hands right now.
Hey, yo!
No, that's good, I think. Alright, so now we're gonna get the intake boxes with the filters and mass airflow sensors installed into the car. There we go. Now let's get that bracket on there. And of course, lost the 10mm, didn't I? Yep. This one goes there. There we go. Sorry about that. Didn't realize I skipped a few steps. Camera died on me while I was working. And like that, got the panels back on. Intakes are installed. Got them nice and bolted on. Mass airflow sensors are plugged in. And like that, we're done. Need parts. You can hear the turbos better. You didn't hear that?
Also, I'm gonna take this. So how you want to do this? You can click start and stop. That's literally all.
Start and stop. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me when.
All right. Start. Stop. Crazy third gear to one, third gear to red line. So I gotta get to 25, so start. Got it. Do you kind of, you feel how like it wants to keep going?
Bro, my legs are planted right now. And I'm still slipping out of the seat when you hit the brake. How many times you gotta do this?
That was it. That was needed 2 times, so now we can just do whatever we want.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna let it just yeah, so let's let it cool down. Even though it's still cold.
I think there might be a gas station if you keep going up straight.
Alright.
Gas was always expensive. Oh!
Were you Walton?
Sheriff. Oh, shit.
What?
No, I'm just fucking dazed right now, bro. That was good.